Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and I post a lot of beauty related content here on my channel and the occasional vlog. If that's the kind of content you like, then please stick around, subscribe down below and hit that notification bell. In today's video we are going to be doing my monthly makeup buys. Now you've seen my Primark monthly buy, you've seen my Revolution monthly buy, you're gonna see my Colourpop couple of monthly buys, but this is makeup that isn't Primark, isn't Revolution, isn't Colourpop. However, there is some Primark in here because Carly kindly went out and got me a few bits that I didn't have from her one, so I've just put them in here because I've already filmed Primark haul, so you'll be getting to see that kind of gems in here. And talking of gems, I have got gems on because this is the Aristocats look. Now if you're interested to see what I thought of that collection, then go over and head and watch that video straight after you've watched this one. But I did, however, get these bad boys from Poundland. Well, I didn't, my partner actually picked them up for me. I described them to him and he found them. I swear my partner works miracles. He is the kind of man you want. You know, if you say to him, he goes, what do you want for dinner? And I'm like, oh, I don't know if I want a spring roll or a sausage and batter. He's the type of guy that will bring you back a sausage and batter, a spring roll and a piece of chicken and say, here, eat the skin, because he knows we'll give the chicken to the dog. So yeah, that's the kind of man we need in our life, isn't it, girls? But yeah, he got me these, only £1 obviously, but I've attempted to use them and then I didn't really like them with this look, so I took them off. But can't go wrong for £1, can you, really? I managed to bag myself, like this is limited edition, it really isn't, the 2000s Remix Dance Edition BH palette. There was 3 palettes. There was the 80s, the 90s and the 2000s. And I chose this little bad boy because this is £18 and I didn't want to buy all 3. But just look at that, and I don't know if you can read the names, so I will read the names out to you. You've got Poker Face, you've got Teen Dream, you've got Sexy Back, you've got Milkshake, you've got Don't Char, you've got Hollaback, Gold Digger, Hey Ya. I can literally sing every one of those shades. So yeah, and then it also says, my shadows bring all the boys to the yard. So absolutely love this and I cannot wait to play with this palette. Another palette I picked up was this Be Perfect Dream Big palette. This retails for $29.95, but there was a discount code going around and I used it and I think it was like 23 or 24 quid. And Be Perfect is such a good brand. And as soon as I saw this palette, like look at the packaging, I knew I had to get it, just knew it. Oh, so it has this plastic on it that says Manifest, but this is the colours, and oh my god, doesn't it look absolutely gorgeous? Like I cannot wait to play with this. I'm gonna swatch this shade called Manifest. Oh, it's so soft. Wow, oh my god, look at that. Cannot wait. And the packaging is just so hefty and amazing. Right at the big end of March I actually picked up this BH palette on sale. It came smashed. I completely forgot until I just saw that, but that shade came smashed, but I managed to like press it into place. But this is the Drop Dead Gorgeous palette. I got it for like £8. I think it's originally, I don't know, I want to say £12 or something. It could be £8, but yep, got that one. I got this Juvia's Place The Berries from Alex. She was selling it, so had to pick that up. I'm so happy with it. It's gorgeous. This is like my first, oh my god, I forgot how pretty that is. I definitely will be doing a video with this. This is just, oh, and she's never touched it. Oh, it's definitely me. I'm so glad I swooped in and got that. Look at that. Also from Alex, she was selling this Beauty Crop Glow Milk. Now if you've seen her review of Beauty Crop, you would have seen that she did review this. Oh my god, it just spat onto my t-shirt. Oh wow. Yeah, I grabbed it just thinking I might as well give it a go. From her picture it looked like there was a bit of like a rose gold undertone to it, but it is definitely more of a pink shift. But I am definitely intrigued to try it out because I've been enjoying a lot more liquid and cream products. So it'd be fun to see what that looks like in the end. Another thing from Beauty Bay, I finally picked up their priming mist. I want to pick up their setting spray as well. And they've just come out with brow products when I'm filming this. But when this video comes out, the brow products will be a couple of weeks old. I eventually want to see a full face from Beauty Bay. But I love how they're doing it in bits and pieces because they really do make sure the quality is there with their products. So yeah, I'm excited to try that out. Another exciting buy was this Ofra mini highlighter. This was on sale for £13, but I think I had a discount code. I think it brought it down to like £10 or something. This is Rodeo Drive. This highlighter I have wanted for the longest time because it's gold, and the formula, since I've tried Ofra's Milk and Cookies from Steph Tom's, I'm just in love with their formula, and that is the highlight there. Oh my god, Ofra commented on the video where I used Milk and Cookies. They literally commented. I was so like fangirling basically because I literally love that highlight, and I know I'm gonna love this one too because this is just adorable. And I'm glad they do minis, so it's like, because you never really, like, I'm never really gonna get through a highlighter, am I? Like, you've seen my Mega Honey that I use constantly and I haven't made a dip in it, so a mini is just adorable because I probably never will run out of this. And it has a little mirror. Another highlight I had to grab was the Anastasia Beverly Hills iced out one. I'm looking for Amrezy, but I've seen some good deals on Depop, but I'm not like gonna grab it straight away just because I'm in the middle of like doing my room up, so I want to focus on that. But look at the packaging, look at that. It has Anastasia on the mirror. This is what the highlight looks like, and the only reason I want it is because there's a gold shift to it. Like, it's a more yellowy gold than Rodeo Drive. It's really nice. Again, that was, I don't know, like £32. I think I got it on offer for like 22, 24. Really good deal. Another thing I bought off of Alex was a Fenty highlight. This is in Hustler Baby. I have been going high end on the highlights this month, like I never normally do. But you can see why I had to buy this off of her. Literally, I think she sold it for a £5 or something like that. Look at that. Can you believe all of these are like different shades of gold? And it's right on the end here. It's a mini as well, so again, perfect. Another Beauty Bay item I bought was the donut shade of their bronzer, just because I do own Fawn, and as I'm hoping to catch a little bit of a tan, I thought let me get the shade up from it. And this one has a slight shimmer, I think. I've used it twice. Yeah, it has a slight shimmer and it's gorgeous, like really is. It's just this kind of same shade as Fawn, but just with a bit of shimmer. Another item I bought off of Carly, so this is another like secondhand item, was this Ofra Beverly Hills palette highlighter. Again, another high end. I saw it and I was thinking, oh my god, this section is so me, like a gold, bronze, mix all of them together, and it's so soft, like literally, like, look at that. Definitely more when I'm tan, but then there's like a lighter side, which I'm sure I could get away with without being tan. Right there. So gorgeous. I'm literally in love with Ofra right now. I feel like I bought these a very long time ago. These are the new BH Flower Power collection. You've got an eyeshadow palette and a blush palette. They were literally like £10. I haven't even taken the plastic off. And this is what the palette looks like. It's bloody gorgeous, like the design on it and everything. I cannot wait to use it. It's one of their mini palettes, like it's not like the big ones, and of course it will be mini because it was like £10.50. And the blush palette, let's just open the packaging. Again, look at the packaging on that. They're all like really nice shades. You've got peach, you've got a pink, you've got a bright pink, like really gorgeous blush shades. Carly also threw a couple of extra items into my not order, but the Ofra highlight. So she gave me this Too Faced Cocoa bronzer. This is what it looks like. I was meant to use this in my viral TikTok makeup, and she was going to send it to me, and then she was like, oh, I'm still sending you that bronzer. And I was thinking, what video was I meant to do it in? And she was like, the viral TikTok one. I was like, oh yeah, I already filmed it. But she said I can use it, so I can't wait to use that. And then she also sent me this MAC eyeshadow, and I'm so happy to have this. This is in the shade Celebutante. It is an adorable shade. It is such a me colour. Look at that. It's berry tone. It's a shimmer. It's me. She also sent me this black loose pigment. It's in the shade Midnight. I don't know what the brand is, but I've seen that brand before. If you guys have, please let me know, because I don't know what it is. And I was like, this will be perfect for like a smoky eye, so I can't wait to use that. Then from Primark, she picked me up this foundation that I didn't see in my Primark. This is the PS Pro Longwear Radiant Matte Foundation. This was £6, so I can't wait to test this out and see how it does. But so far, I'm really loving all of Primark's base products. She also managed to find me the Mykonos lipstick. This is such a lovely shade. It's a peachy, not peachy, a rosy kind of pink shade. Not even rosy, I don't know what to call it, but it's a lovely shade, like a nude pink, but look, not too nude. She also managed to find me the cheek tint. This is one of the, it's only £3. This is a liquid blush. Cannot wait to use this. I've been loving blushes lately that are liquid. And this, ooh, it's like an apricot kind of shade. That would be nice like over a bronzer as well. Oh, it smells so nice. Ooh, smells like sweets. And she also managed to find these two eyeshadow palettes. They were £5 each. They are the Pastel Passion one. This shade, this palette is, when you talk for so long, it's just like you forget how to talk. But that's what that palette looks like. And obviously she had to get me the natural one, which looks like this. £5, you can't go wrong, can you? And look at the packaging. Cannot wait to test that out. The next portion of this video is dedicated to Jodie. She has found some little gems in her collection that she's getting rid of and kindly sold them to me, as well as gave me some stuff as well. Because when my when my parcel came, I looked at it and I was like, did you throw in extra stuff? She goes, maybe. So she spoilt me. She spoilt me rotten. I love that girl, but she bloody spoilt me rotten. She I don't know if she gave me or I bought this, but one of the items was the Wet n Wild Colour Icon Comfort Zone old packaging. I looked for this everywhere because when it came to the UK, it came in the new packaging, I think. And I never managed to get it in this packaging, but I'm so glad I have it now. Like, oh my god. Look at that. It's gone a bit sheer, but the pigment's there, the pigment's there. I'm so happy to have that. Then she also sent me the NYX Licorice Lane palette. This is by NYX, and she knows I like collecting NYX, so look at that. Look how gorgeous that palette is, and the purples, man. I know Tammy used to rave about NYX products a lot, and that's that colour there. Another NYX palette she gave me was this NYX Sugar Trip Squad. Wow, look at this. Look at this. And me and Jodie are overdue a live. We are going to be going live, and we've got some looks picked out that we want to do. She's picked me out a look that's not too much, so cannot wait. And she also found the blush palette in her collection from Primark. Again, another Primark item. So you get free powder blushes and free cream blushes. This shade here and this shade here screaming my name, so I cannot wait. Oh, there's a highlight in there. That's a highlight, you know. Probably a bit too icy for me. Yeah, a bit too icy, but it has a highlight. It's got more of a pink shift to it right here. She also sent me this natural palette. This is by the brand Lacora. Now they is an Aldi brand, and I think they're meant to be trying to dupe Urban Decay. So this is what this palette looks like. So I will kind of hopefully do like a testing video, because I've got some Urban Decay palettes. She also sent me the Desert Rain palette. She also sent me chocolate. She knows the way to my heart, and that was because of her mum. Her mum put extra chocolates in the box, so thank you, because I demolished them. But oh my god, this is so nice. It's like velvet. She's never used it. I don't even want to take the plastic off, but that is what that palette looks like. So many nice neutral transition shades. Then we've got the Moon Dust palette. Again, comes in that bloody nice velvet packaging. I love that. It gets grubby quickly, but I do love it. She hasn't opened it, but look at it. It looks gorgeous. And that blue is screaming my name. It's not even a blue, it's a purple. It's called Aura. And she actually sent me another one in Revival because she knows I'm a collector, and she was like, you just got to complete your collection. And I just threw something on my face. Something just flew at me. It comes in red packaging. I'm so excited for this one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that. If that doesn't scream me, I don't know what does. That's got some berries in there. Cannot wait to use that one. And the fact that there's so many mattes, I can really appreciate it. But I have saved best till last. She was umming and ahhing whether she was going to sell this, and then she sent me a price and she was like, are you okay paying this? I was like, of course I'm okay paying this. It is dun dun dun, the Primark Villains palette. I never got my hands on it. I actually think I walked past it and thought but this wasn't when I was proper collecting makeup. And then she was like, I've got it. And I was like, there was a couple of times she was like, if I'm willing to let it go, I'll let you know. And she was willing to let it go. So it's like each villain, it has something to say. And then once you open it up, she keeps the plastic as well. I'm gonna have to keep the plastic because of her. It has all these eyeshadows in there. Bloody adorable, literally. So happy she sent me that, and thank you so much, Jodie. You really did spoil me. Literally, you're such a kind person. Thank you so much. I'm really, really like lost for words, really, and that don't really happen. I can talk a lot, but literally appreciate you 100%. So thank you, because that pile was, the box was so bloody heavy. I was thinking, what the hell did I get from her? And then when I opened it, I was like, oh my god. Literally, she spoils me, Carly spoils me. Thank you so much, guys. Literally, love you girls. Love you a lot. But that is the end of the haul. I hope you guys did enjoy. I'm about to hop on a Zoom right now, and let me know what your favourite buys of the month have been, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys.